Vortex. I know that I don't say this very often. But I appreciate you. I know that I did a video. I did a video recently. I don't know what accent this is. Doesn't matter. Speaking in tongues. But I did a video recently where I was talking shit to the vortex, and I said I could leave you at any time. And I realized how mean that was, and I'm sorry about that. I don't want you to develop the abandonment issues that I've always had. Okay, so you're not an orphan, Vortex, are you? You're an orphan? Do I have my phone? It's good to have these things, you know. It's good to have some kind of technology sometimes. Ooh. Do I have my dinosaur? That's the most important thing. Having the dinosaur. I don't know. I don't think I have my phone. Let's just stop in the middle of the road. Let's just do that. I hate it whenever I think I don't have something and then I actually have it and then I look for it to realize that I had it the whole time. Classic AG. Classic. Okay, let's run back to the house. Speed bump. Y'all know how much we hate speed bumps, right? Almost as much as we hate smartphones and feminism. It's hard to beat those two, though. There's no denying that both of those things have completely ruined society to the point of no return. Be quiet, thelonious. Be quiet. We're parking the car, thelonious. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, I don't know where my phone is. I think it is in the house somewhere. It's just good to have it in case something happens, you know. I hate thinking like this. I hate having to have a phone at all, you know.